Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to edit a widget. We'll cover the essential steps to customize your site's interactive elements effectively. First, you'll learn to identify and select the correct widget from your administrative panel. Then, we'll dive into accessing its unique settings. This guide ensures you can confidently modify any widget to perfectly suit your website's design and user experience, making your platform more dynamic and engaging for visitors. Once you've located your target widget, the next step is to access its settings. Look for an Edit or Settings button, usually represented by a small gear or pencil icon. Clicking this will open a specific configuration panel. This panel is where all the magic happens, allowing you to see and adjust the various parameters that control your widget's behavior and appearance. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now for the fun part, customizing your widget. Within the Settings panel, you'll find sections for content and appearance. Here, you can update text, swap out images, or change links. Explore the style options to modify colors, fonts, and sizes, ensuring it matches your brand. Don't hesitate to experiment with different settings. Many platforms offer a live preview, allowing you to see changes instantly before saving. After making all your desired adjustments, the final and most crucial step is to save your work. Look for a Save, Update, or Publish button, typically located at the bottom or top of the Settings panel. Clicking this button will apply your changes. Always double-check your live website to ensure everything looks exactly as intended. If you don't see the updates, try clearing your browser cache or refreshing the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.